Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on iMessage. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you are facing the issue that your iPhone or your iMessage is not enabled, so let's see how can you enable it or how can you turn on or activate your iMessage. So you just have to simply open your settings app and here just go to general and very first go to software update and just try to update your software. So once your software has been updated, just go back and just go to apps section and here just look for messages app and you just have to try to enable the toggle in front of iMessage. Just enable the toggle and your iMessage will be enabled or turned on or activated. So just wait for this activation and your iMessage will be enabled. Or if you find any kind of issue in this step, so you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone and after that you can retry. Sometimes it might be a software or a temporary glitch. So you just have to try to make a forced restart to prevent any kind of that glitch. Just quickly press and release your volume up and then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry and your issue will be fixed. Just go to settings, go to app section, go to messages app here, and just try to enable the messages toggle. So just try to enable the toggle and your messages app or will be turned on or will be enabled. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.